Searching for meaning in digital awareness. What the f*** does that mean?
Y'all ready for this?
All of us are connected at the touch of just a few buttons. Your phone is connected to cell towers that connect to satellites that connect to other people's phones and then back again and then elsewhere and so on. We're able to talk to each other near instantaneously while being thousands of miles away from each other. But I want to know, what do these digital connections mean? Are they the same as in-person interactions? Think about having a conversation with someone in person. You can see them, read their eyes, hear their words, smell their smells, and with their consent, you can physically touch them. The closest we can get to that right now in the digital sense is video chat. You can see each other, you can talk, but it's not quite the same. There's gonna be buffering or a poor connection, there's latency issues, it's just a different experience altogether. I've been able to maintain relationships with my close friends across great distances by using group chats, playing video games, and of course, texting one-on-one. But none of these things are quite equal to being in the same physical space as the other person. Maybe we don't need to hold these cyber relationships up to the same standards as, quote, real-world friends. Maybe these links we form online have their own value that don't or can't be compared to an interaction with your friend IRL. Whatever it is, that's what I'd like to explore. Whether it's through interviews or narrative pieces, it could be exploring how to better connect with folks through tutorials or product reviews. You can most easily support me and this message by subscribing to my YouTube channel. Or if you're feeling generous and would contribute to my vision in a monetary sense, you can go to patreon.com/slackerstuff and join the community there. Help me connect better to folks, but more importantly, I hope I can help you by providing you with some sort of value. So together, let's search for this meaning in digital awareness.